Hello, good morning. So, welcome to the explanation of the next program of part B, that is keypad matrix, 4x4 keypad matrix. Okay, yeah, so please look at the program number 14 here. Interface a keypad which is of 4x4 and display the key code on an LCD. Okay, interface. What is the meaning of interface? Interface is nothing but connection of two things. Okay, whatever we are connecting, we are connecting keypad. Okay, so display the key code. If I press 1 on my keypad, I should get the value as 1. If I press 0, I should get the 0. It is a hex keypad. Hex keypad in the sense the key should be from 0 to F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. That should be displayed on an LCD. So we have to merge LCD also in this program, because LCD commands are very difficult. You have to understand how many line of LCD it is there, what are the commands to clear the LCD. Okay, so we have to include LCD program also here. Okay, anyway, so let me see how to work out with this program and how to get the keypad displayed on the LCD. Yeah, so this is the keypad interface, so which I have shown. 4x4 keypad matrix consists of 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, switches are placed in between the rows and columns. Okay, a key is pressed, establishes a connection between the corresponding rows and column. Obviously, yes, it will be shorted, also closed circuit or open circuit. Okay, between which the switch is placed. In order to read the key pressed, we need to configure the rows as outputs and column as inputs. Okay, this is very important. First, we need to configure rows as output and column as input. Input is nothing but we configure that all 4 columns as 1. Output in the sense we configure all the 4 rows as 0. Okay, so first initially we will be arranging in such a way that the rows will be connected to 0, the columns will be connected to 1, logic 1, that is nothing but VCC, which is as shown here. Okay, you can see the logic and the columns are made as 1 here, but there are 4 columns. Okay, there are 4 rows which are made as 0, 0, and all the columns are short circuited and given to VCC. VCC is nothing but logic 1 here. Okay, so first what we do is columns, we will read the columns. Okay, we will read the columns. Okay, if we find any key is pressed in that particular column, then we will check further what is the key pressed. Okay, so keypad are organized in a matrix of rows and columns, obviously 4x4, which is equal to 16 keys. When a key is pressed, a row and column makes contact. Okay, otherwise there is no connection between rows and columns. Yeah, so let me see how we work on with this. Okay, keypad matrix working. Scanning of keys. To detect a key, the microcontroller grounds all the rows by providing zeros. Yes, so the microcontroller is providing all the rows with 0 here, and it reads the column as shown 1 1 1 1. As long as no key is pressed, all the column remains as 1 1 1 because it is connected to VCC. If any key is pressed, that gets short circuited and it will go to the ground. That particular value will become 0. That is the simple logic here. Okay, initially look, all the R1, R2, R3, R4 are 0 0 0, C1, C2, C3, C4 are 0 1 1 1 because it is no key is pressed. If the data read, okay, I should keep on reading the column every time. As long as I find all the columns C1, C2, C3, C4, the value is equal to 1 1 1 1, it is assumed that no key is pressed. No key is pressed, which is as shown in the above figure. No key is pressed. Now consider the highlighted key above here. Check for this key. Suppose if you assume this key is pressed. Suppose if I assume this key is pressed, column 1 should remain 1, column 3 should remain 1, column 4 should remain 1, whereas column C2 should go to 0 because this is short circuited. It will reach to 0 here. Okay, so therefore, yeah, so see, look here, column 1 remains as 1, column 2 remains as 0, column 3 remains as 1, column 4 remains as 1. Okay, this clearly indicates that column 2 there is some key pressed in column 2. If one of the column bit has 0, yeah, this means the key has pressed occur. Okay, for example 1 0 1 1, that is what I said to you. This means there is a key pressed in column 2. Okay, after detecting, it will check for the rows. It will check for the rows. Now you check for each and every rows. You check for each and every rows. Okay, now read the column. If the data read is all ones, no key is pressed in that row. Now you can start reading the row in reverse order. Okay, if that particular row key is all 1 1 1 1, that means there is no key in that pressed in that particular row here. If one of the key, okay, first check for R1. First check for R1. If all the key are open here, that means R1 will become value, there will be VCC, therefore there will be no key is pressed. If R2, okay, since all the values of R2 is 1 1 1, that means there is no key pressed in R2. Okay, similarly with R3 and R4. Suppose if I press any key here, that particular R2 will become 0, and I know the particular column has also become 0. Therefore, this is the key which I have pressed. That will be displayed here. Okay, that will be displayed here. That's what I have mentioned here. Now ground the next row. First you ground R1. Okay, now ground R2. Okay, when you ground R2, read the columns. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Check for any zero. A particular column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ zero then check ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so in the other case, in the above case, what we have pressed here is this key. Okay, this key, the row 2 should become 0. Okay, so in the above case, we will get row 2 in which the column is not equal to 1 1 1. Okay, we will check the row 2 in which the column is not equal to 1 1, which is equal to 1011. Okay, which is equal to 1011. Therefore we got to know that the key is in row 2 column 2. The key is in row 2 as well as column 2. Therefore the particular key whatever we have pressed here, that gets displayed on my LCD. Okay, this is the program here. Okay, yeah, so the program theory goes like this. So we are going to define column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. As we have 4 columns, we will take the pin number as port 1 dot 16 17 18 19. We are going to use GPIO1. We are going to use GPIO1. Okay, so how to set that particular bit as 1 1 1 1? Okay, we have to make it as 1. 1 less than 16 ಅಂದರೆ 16th bit high ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 less than 17 17th bit high ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly 1 less than 18 18th bit high, less than 19 19th bit high. Similarly you need 4 rows, R1 R2 R3 R4. Use 16 17 18 19 is for column, 20 21 22 23 is assigned for rows. Okay, you define column mask. Mask ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಿಟ್ನ 0 ಆಗಂಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, so once when you press some key, that particular column should go to 0. When you press some particular key, that particular row value should also go to 0, which is called as masking. Okay, so you are going to define column mask, column 1 or column 2 or column 3 or column 4. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದಿದ್ರು it should become 0. Okay, similarly define row mask. Okay, now key control dir, we need to dir ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಆ ಪಿನ್ನು 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೀ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, that is called as set. Okay, if that particular pin is 0, that is called as clear. Okay, so select the particular pin. We are going to use CTRL pin. Okay, we are going to use CTRL pin. Okay, coming back to this. Okay, we are going to take a temporary data which is of 16 key mask, and we are going to ampersand with column mask here. Okay, which starts from P1 dot 16. Why P1? Because we are going to use all port 1 here. Okay, yeah, this is interesting. Okay, so suppose I check all the rows here. Suppose I check for the first row. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಒಂದು 0 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು 3 1 1 1 ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 0 1 1 1. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 0, ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1 1 1 1. If I make third row as 0, it will become 1 1 0 1. If I make fourth row as 0, it will become 1 1 1 0 to check all the 4 rows. Okay, so if I make first row as 0, if the rest 3 rows become 1 1 1, the value is 7. That is what I mentioned as 0 cross 7. If I make second row as 0, the rest 3 as 1, so it becomes 1 0 1, which is called as 0 cross B. I have mentioned over. Similarly 0 cross D, 0 cross E, if no row is placed, 0 cross 0. Okay, so these are the 16 keys, 1 2 3 4 starting from the bottom, first column. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 0 A B C D E and F. Okay, E and F. So initialize the LED initialize it is mandatory. Okay, check for the column. Okay, I think you know this. Okay, control which is ampersand set row as input. First row as row mask ni input ಮಾಡಿ, input ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು LCD put string, press X key. If you press any first key, okay, then you should get put string. ಯಾವ key press ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Okay, key pressed. While 1, while true. Initially there is no key pressed, so since there are 4 rows and 4 columns, you should scan, hence I am making as I is less than equal to 4, I press for every time. Okay, if not equal to key control and row 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, if not equal, next if not equal to row 2, if not equal to row 3, press, if not equal to row 4, keep on going this. Okay, finally if ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ if no key is pressed, okay, so if it be 0 cross 1 0 anta, it is 16 anta, 0 cross 1 0 anta, it is 16. Okay, so if no key is pressed even after pressing 16 keys, that means the key pressed ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, there is no key pressed anta. Else LCD go to 1 cross 14 second line ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು LCD put char keypad matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ key ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. Where is the keypad matrix here? I have given the keypad matrix here. Okay, so keypad matrix have given whatever the key you have pressed here. Okay, it will be displayed on that particular the LCD display. Okay, so now we shall see how to execute this program. Okay, so the program is given like this. You copy the program.